Of day, whatever it is, 6, 7.
I've
You
lost
just
count.
had the 350 race. You just told us you're a little bit deaf. Just talk us through today, because this morning you had a little bit of a solo warm up, but you probably got halfway around, and then the 350 race. So
Yeah, so I had the solo warm up this morning. I got as far as the mountain box, then it was red flagged. So that kind of cut to that. And then we had the 350 race just gone there. So yeah, I'm completely deaf. Struggling to hear, but no, it was good. 3 laps, got the bike home, first 350 home, and I think I was 11th overall, which isn't bad with 150 cc's less. And like you say, the sun was shining, so you can't really complain riding around the TT course for 3 laps in the sunshine.
How much does it take a bit of a toll on your body? Because it's not the most comfiest of machines.
No, it's definitely not. It's definitely not like a sofa like the 750 anyway. My bad leg, it's a bit sore down in my groin and from the way that the tank sits and everything else, and my arm from holding it flat out for so long. So it's weird in some ways. You'd think the big bike would be sorer in the fact that you're holding onto an animal, which it is in different ways, but it's bearable, whereas this thing is like cramping your legs and pins and needles. So yeah, I struggled to get off the thing when I got off just earlier.
How much did you enjoy that 350 race?
It was good. Like you say, you're just basically flat out everywhere. You shut off probably like 3 or 4 times in a lap, excluding like Governors and Quarterbridge. So yeah, no, it's good. It's different, and like you say, there's different things you can see. You can see like different lines which you can't see on the big bikes at the TT. So yeah, no, it's all part of the learning, and like you say, I think it's definitely helped.
I was going to say, do you think it's going to help you heading into Monday?
Yeah, I think so. Like you say, every lap around here is a bonus. So every lap you go around here, you learn something new, and it's like ingrained in your head then. So no, I think no matter whether it's for Monday for the Superbike race or even next year's TT, every lap is a bonus.
Let's look at Monday then. You got a bit of a day off tomorrow. What are your plans for tomorrow? You're just going to chill out and relax and lay on the beach?
I don't know if the Isle of Man will allow that, but I think I'm going to probably just chill out, maybe go see Kath the physio, try and unnumb my leg a little bit, and and then just get ready for the big race on Monday.
What are you hoping for from Monday? Because you smiled there straight away, because you know that you've got a decent chance in that race, haven't you?
Yeah, like I say, there's no expectations or anything like that. I always just go in and just go enjoy my race, and same with my dad and the Greenall team, they're exactly the same. They just said go out, enjoy yourself, and when you do that, you go fast. So I've got a brilliant bike under me for that race. So I think I'm going to have probably a good race, but we'll see. Maybe Monday night we'll see where we are.
Spot on. Thanks for your time, mate.
No worries. Thank you very much.